So we have seen the adaptations in terrestrial plants and aquatic plants, right? So let us see the adaptation in other plants. There are other type of plant also other than terrestrial plants and other than aquatic plants. Okay, so let us see the adaptations of such plants. So the first group is of insectivorous plants. Now what are insectivorous plants? As the word suggests, as the word itself has insect, right? So they depend on insects for their nutrition. Okay, these plants, they grow in infertile soil. We know what is infertile soil. Infertile soil means there's no fertility, that is minimum amount of nutrients or no nutrients at all. So the soil which does not have nutrients is known as infertile soil. So the plants, the insectivorous plants, they generally grow in infertile soil. Therefore they need nutrients and they take these nutrients from the insects. How do they take? By trapping the insects and by eating them. Okay, so the insectivorous plants, they grow in infertile soil. They trap and eat insects for extra nutrition. So let us see some examples of insectivorous plants. The first example is Venus flytrap. Okay, so Venus flytrap is an insectivorous plant in which the leaf is folded into two halves. Let us see. So this is Venus flytrap. So can you see the picture there? So the leaves of the Venus flytrap, it has two halves. Okay, it's folded into two halves. Now what happens when an insect sits on the leaf of Venus flytrap? The two halves come together and close. So this, whenever an insect sits on the leaf, the two halves, they come together and they close to trap the insect. Once they trap the insect, they take in all the nutrition and they kill the insect. Okay, in this way the insect dies because all the nutrients is absorbed by the Venus flytrap plant. Then another example is of pitcher plant. Okay, look at the figure there of pitcher plant. Can we see the figure there? Pitcher plant, right? So it resembles as a container. Okay, it looks like a container with a lid. So can you see the lid there, right? The cover, right? So the pitcher plant, whose leaves are in the form of a container with a lid to cover the mouth of the pitcher. Okay, so the container is known as the pitcher and it has a lid to cover the mouth. Once the insect tries to feed, it has nectar present in it. Okay, what is nectar? It's a substance which attracts the insects. Okay, it's a special substance which can attract the insects. So what happens now when an insect gets attracted to the pitcher plant, gets attracted to the nectar in the pitcher plant, and it tries to feed on the nectar, the plant traps the insect by closing the lid. We have seen the lid in the pitcher plant. So once the insect sits there, it tries to feed, so the pitcher plant, it traps the insect by closing the lid. Okay, so two examples we have seen, Venus flytrap and pitcher plant. How do they work? Okay, Venus flytrap has two halves. Once the insect sits, it closes the halves, and pitcher plant, it looks like a container. It has a lid and it has nectar in it. Once the insect is attracted towards the nectar, it comes and feeds on the nectar. It closes the lid. One more example is sundew. Sundew is also an insectivorous plant.